Hey guys, this is Andy with Crypto Traders Pro, and I wanted to teach you how to place a buy order. Alright, so what I have here is I have Golem. You can see Golem BTC. Here's the chart, which once again, these charts are horrible on these exchanges, so please use TradingView. They have way better charts. You can see this information here. The last price for Golem was 5,428 Satoshis. There's been 115 Bitcoin worth of volume in the last 24 hours. The current bid price, people trying to buy, is 5,428, and the asking price is 5,429. 24-hour high, 5,704, and the low, 5,251. So this is great information to look at when you're looking to make a purchase or you're looking to sell. You can see where the action's been over the last 24 hours. So if we look right here, this is where we would be buying Golem. This is where you would enter the information. So I've got 0.018 Bitcoin in this account. If I wanted to purchase Golem, and I wanted to purchase Golem at the current asking price, I would click on this price button right here. Click on the ask, which currently right now you can see the ask is, it should be 5,453. There we go, it changed, 5,453. I could hit max, which I could get 331 Golem for the amount of Bitcoin that I have in this account currently. If I don't want the max, but I just want a specific value, I can enter that here. Let's say 100. And when I hit tab, it's going to change my value of Bitcoin down here. So I'll show you again. Max, it takes my full Bitcoin value. But if I just want 100, I can do this, hit tab, and it'll take that. It'll show the value that it's going to cost me. So if I want to buy Golem, this would be a market order for Golem. It's good until canceled, and this shows you the commission costs for you, the amount total it's going to cost for Bitcoin, and the price that you're purchasing it at. You can do the same thing if you want to place a lower bid. So if I want to place a buy order down in this area, because we can see that this area is support, and I want to get to this area as low as possible, I can place that at 5,316 Satoshis. So come here, hit 5,316, hit tab, or hit max if I want to buy as much as I can with the value that I have, and then once again we'd be buying Golem and confirming that right here. If I was to put this order in at 5,316 Satoshis, say buy Golem, I would confirm that. Sometimes Bittrex is messed up, but you can see up here that the buy order was placed. Scroll down to here and you can see my order down here under open orders. This is the price. These are the units that have been filled, which is 0. Total units I'm trying to purchase, and the estimated Bitcoin is going to cost me. You can see right here my order with this star next to it in the order book, 340 of them, and there's quite a few that need to be purchased before mine goes through. So I don't want to actually do that, so I'm going to cancel this order. But that's a way that you can, that is the way that you would buy if you're putting in a limit order, which is an order for a specific price, and when that price gets down to that area, it would purchase for you. So that order was what we call a limit order. You can adjust it good until canceled, immediate, or cancel. We're going to change to conditional right now, and I'm going to show you to buy when the price is greater than or equal to something or less than or equal to. I could say, hey, I don't want to buy this unless it confirms breaking out of this last high here. So I could put a conditional order to buy it greater than or equal to this price. So if I was like, yeah, I want it to confirm, but I have to go to work. So if it keeps going lower, I don't want to buy it until it gets further below, but I don't want it to miss the breakout. So you could set that order right here, greater than or equal to, what is this, 5,700 Satoshi, 5660. Enter that here, hit max, and I could do the purchase the same way. So when it crosses that area, it would purchase the max. You could also do a conditional with less than or equal to. So if the value came to this area and became less than or equal to it, the conditional order would hit, and I would purchase my Golem that way. So this is how you place market orders. You can buy with the asking price, which would be considered a market order. You can buy as a limit order, which you would set lower than the asking price, lower than the current bid price, and you can also place conditional orders as well. Also, if you guys are learning from these lessons and want to become a more consistently profitable trader, we have a 20-hour trading course that covers everything that you need to be consistently profitable in this market. So as usual, guys, Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you on the moon.